Hey boys, it's me, and I checking out this. It's like a selfie ring, and what it's supposed to do is it has a clip on it right there. Spring. Woo. It's supposed to clip on and be like a selfie light. So I'm gonna put the thing in real quick. Where's the other one? I fucked the video. Where? What? Oh my god. It was under my manual. Hold on. Alrighty, so I got the thingy kebab. Got it in, and with the magical press of this button, it should turn on. It says 3 brightnesses. It has this, like level 1, I guess. That's 2, and that's 3. None I can see there's a difference. Oh, wait. 1, 2. Okay, so I'm gonna clip it on. Oh, it actually goes around the camera too. That's nice. And I'm gonna click on. So this is 1. All right. This is 2. And then finally, that is 3. Now, when I first tried it for like photos, it didn't look bright. But then now I'm looking on the camera, it actually does look bright. So yeah, I just wanted to show you what this was because I got it from my fundraiser. Might use it actually, not for selfies, maybe for videos, but whatever. Just wanted to show you that. So hope you got a good day. Bye.